Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to set primary key in Microsoft Access table. For full benefit, stick around till the end. Now in this particular example, let's go to design view to see if you have any primary key. We don't have any primary key. Going back to the datasheet view, you can see which of the fields out of these three is unique and therefore represents to be a primary key. The job code qualifies for that. So I want to show you how you can set this job code as a primary key in this table. To do that, we'll go to design view by right clicking here on the top and then design view. Then here, click on the job code itself. Then on the primary key. This has set job code into primary key. And you can see that the key is now appearing in front of job code. Next, save this one. And then you can go to datasheet view. If you find this video tutorial helpful, for more simple tutorials, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.